arrived on a spot. Today I am working at Spooky Nuke's Sports. I am excited to see what I can do with those balloons in this space. So let's unload and walk in and see what is going on. Let me show you what I have in my suitcase and what colors I am working with today. I'm working with this beautiful purple robin egg. Then I have this yellow, pink, orange, and lots of black. I have my balloon pump, command hooks, blue dashes, hand pumps, rubber bands, some nuts for some energy, extension cords, and my apron. Sorry. And the fun begins. I am using my hand pump to inflate all of my 260s balloons, all 500 of them. I am inflating and tying them into pairs, repeating that with the full bag of 260s yellow balloons. Right, yellow color is done. It took me only forever to inflate everything. I need to inflate 4 more colors. Wish me luck. Starting on my second color, you guys, if you need to inflate some of these balloons for your personal parties, not 500 as I am inflating here, hand pump is the way to go probably. But if you're doing a huge installation like I am here, purchase yourself a specific inflator for long balloons. It was extremely challenging to inflate 500 balloons with a hand pump. I couldn't feel my wrists or fingers. Finally finished inflating balloons and starting on construction of these, how I call them, balloon pom-poms for my stands. Grabbing pairs of balloons and intertwining them together. I am not intertwining every single pair in one big pom-pom to avoid ripping balloons. Instead, I am making several smaller pom-poms. Here comes the time to connect smaller pom-poms into one big one. I am doing that by tying a 260 balloon to my first pom-pom and simply wrapping 260 balloon around other pom-poms to connect them together. Not gonna lie, I did struggle with these balloons. They were popping left and right. I was a nervous wreck going home after this installation. I couldn't sleep all night. I was thinking if these balloons stayed inflated. I didn't overinflate these balloons. I left some room just in case they need some room to expand, but nope. Later in the evening, it hit me what was going on and why these balloons were popping left and right. I will explain a little bit later. So I am repeating the same process with the other piles of balloons. I apologize, it's so loud. Hurts my ears.
That's great.
Thank you. Explosions from these 260s balloons were happening occasionally, and my head was buried in those balloons while I was making the pom-poms. So to block those explosions, I really had to put my headphones in because I couldn't take it anymore. I am using stands that were provided by Spooky Nuke, and as you could tell, these stands had openings at the very top. I am using those openings to feed 260s from my pom-poms to secure them on top of the stands. Yay, you guys, the last pom-pom of the day. I was so happy to finally finish them. They turned out to be super cute. Had to use a whole bunch of band-aids to mend my fingers and protect them before I will jump into my balloon garland.
Is it normal to have so many popped 260s balloons? This is the waste from 500 balloons. Power snack. And then I'm tackling the balloon garland. I had no idea it will take me about 4 hours to inflate these long balloons, you guys. And I haven't eaten anything since early morning. I need some food, at least I packed some nuts. Alright.
Alright, so let's tackle this balloon garland. For this balloon garland, I am using BSA and Qualatex balloons, 17, 11, and 5-inch balloons. I am using a lot of 17-inch balloons to have a massive looking balloon garland, just because I am working with a huge space with a big wall and with high ceilings as well. Working with high ceilings and huge walls, you need something bigger to fill the space. So I am inflating pairs of balloons and intertwining them together into clusters of balloons. Each cluster has 4 pairs of balloons. 36-inch balloons are the must if you're working with a huge area with high ceilings like I am today. Also inflating some 5-inch balloons and tackling all the colorful 5-inch balloons. We wanted to add these 5-inch colorful balloons into the black balloon garland just to complement those pom-poms and tie everything together. To build my balloon garland, I am grabbing 2 pairs of balloons, reaching in and finding longest and stretchiest necks of balloons, tying those 2 necks from different clusters together, and this will build my balloon garland. I'm repeating the same process until I am happy with the length of my balloon garland base. To attach my balloon garland to the wall, I am using 1/2 pound command hooks and fishing line. I wish I had heavier command hooks on hand for this install. My 1/2 pound command hooks were popping off from the wall and were not holding the top portion of my balloon garland. And then, you guys, it hit me. It was very humid. Even though the space had AC working, once it would stop working, it would get very humid very quickly. Humidity and stuffiness in the space are not the best friends with balloons and command hooks. That's why my 260s balloons were popping in my pom-poms, and that's why my command hooks were popping off the walls. I managed to make it work by adding multiple command hooks for the top portion of my balloon garland. I am using 260s cute balloons to attach my 36-inch balloons to my balloon garland. Joining these 2 pieces of balloon garland by adding another piece of balloon garland. Once I had a really good balloon garland base, I started working on the fullness of this balloon garland by attaching extra clusters of balloons. I attached my extra clusters of balloons by the necks of balloons from the balloon garland and from the clusters by tying them together. And here's my first popped off command hook from the wall that I'm trying to fix. Also doing lots and lots of heavy lifting during constructions. Yay, free gym for me. Now, look at how 36-inch balloons transformed my balloon garland. They gave my balloon garland so much volume. And here I am adding colorful 5-inch quads to my balloon garland. I am attaching them with my rubber bands all over the place, and sometime over here, boom, all of my command hooks popped off, so I had to fix it. I was so tired. I was so annoyed by these command hooks, but it turned out very pretty. I liked it. Client also was happy with what I made for them, so that's a good thing. And this is a wrap. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos. Like this video, and I will see you back in my new video. Bye!